Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today will be my weekly video about Merch by Amazon design ideas. In this video I talk about searches and designs that I found on Amazon, but as always it is a good idea to upload them not only on Merch by Amazon but also on other different platforms that you use, such as Redbubble, TeePublic, or maybe your own store on Shopify or other platform, and I think it will be a good idea. So let's go to today's searches and today's ideas. And the first one is search phrase I axolotl questions short. It's a funny phrase that is made more for kids, and axolotl is quite a strange creation character, but it is going to be popular right now, and this design is for kids because this phrase IOU axolotl is spelled such as ask a lot of, so it is like short for kid who is asking a lot of questions. I axolotl questions. And of course, you should make a design that will suit kids because this short or other merch product will be made for kids, and it influence on stylization, on kind of graphics that you want to use on this design. Like here, as for me, it is made good for your child, but you can also make some different stylization, like simplistic stylization or minimalistic stylization. I'm not sure that vintage variant will be the best here, but it can be made too. Anyway, you should check if your design will be looking good on kids shorts, and if it will be liked by kids too. Not very high competition right now, 300 plus results, and this trend is going to grow. Trend about axolotl, this creature, this character, and I think that making this design idea will be a right choice, and you can definitely find some sales with it. Okay, let's go next, and next is trending design. If previous was Evergreen, this design Tuesday 2022 short is about a concrete day, a day that will be on 22nd of February 2022, and it is a Tuesday, and today we have some trend for this day, and this day is named Tuesday, and of course any designs that you can create now can have a lot of sales previous to this day, but it will not be selling after that day will pass. Anyway, if you can illustrate some good idea about this day, Tuesday, fast, you can upload it and expect for some sales too. I show here a general search about Tuesday 2022, but here you can find a lot of different phrases, from the basic phrases like it's Tuesday or Happy Tuesday, and something more interesting like teacher's gift, teaching second grade on Tuesday. So here we have another two in this design idea, so it's also suited for this holiday, for this day too. Also we can find some Taco Tuesday, yeah, because it's often Tuesday, a Taco Tuesday, and it will be a Tuesday too. And if you will search some other ideas with this keyword, you can also find a lot of different design ideas and you can make really similar designs with one graphic, but if you will simply change the text, it will be different listings, and of course you can make sales from them. So it is a very short trend, but can be popular too. Okay, let's go next, and next idea is more evergreen idea, and this religious design. Normal isn't coming back, Jesus is. So here we can find a funny pun, but made for a religious person, of course, for Christian religion, because it's about Jesus. And what I see in search results is that we have a lot of different results with a simple text plus a cross. And a lot of them even made in one cover, like here, white illustrations on a dark background. Even some designs without any elements or illustrations, some line designs too. But I want to brainstorm some ideas how I can make this design look better. Here I can find an interesting idea because the illustration is something mixed from Jesus and Terminator, and this "I'll be back" phrase, but you can use not "I'll be back" phrase, but phrase "normal isn't coming back, Jesus is", and with some illustration of Terminator Jesus, it will look interesting too. So it's one of variants how you can also make this look different from another search results, because as for now we can find very small competition, like 200 designs, and a lot of them made very similar one to another. So you need to make something different, and if you will create a good illustration, good looking design, you can definitely make a lot of sales for this search. Okay, let's go next, and next idea is about Saint Valentine's Day. It's a holiday design. Search phrase is "V is for video games". It's not like this Tuesday, which will be usable only in this year. This design, of course, is holiday oriented, but you can make some sales every Saint Valentine's Day, and it is a gamer design for this holiday. Yeah, competition is higher than often, but anyway, you can often find higher competition on holidays or trending designs, but also a search volume for this kind of designs is also higher, so you can make this design anyway and wait for your sales too. And here we can find the basic idea of this search phrase, where you have a Valentine word which is crossed, and uncrossed text is "V is for video games". So you should definitely use the basic Saint Valentine's Day covers, which are red and white, but you can also use black cover or green cover maybe. It look good usually for Valentine's Day designs too, and some from one side love elements like hearts, and from other side something from gaming side, like controllers, or maybe some pixelized characters or something else. Of course, we can find here a lot of very similar designs, like here these four designs, they look almost exactly the same, so you should definitely make some changes to this idea. Maybe you should change the stylization or add some different colors, which should definitely look better. Even here, I don't think that this design is the best one from the search results, but in this niche, you will definitely look to this short because it looks simply different, and you need also make some your additional components, or maybe a stylization elements. Like here we can find some vintage elements like this vintage heart, and it looks good too. So I think that this design from one side can bring you a lot of sales, but from second side need some imagination from you, some creativity, how to add something to this basic idea. And the last search phrase for today is a science short, and the keyword is the physics is theoretical, but the fun is real. So it is short for a physician, and of course it's a very niche design. And here we can find low competition for now. 100 plus results are available today, but if we will look to this variants, to this search results, we can find a really big amount of similar designs like here. Yeah, they are different, some different angles, but they look almost similar one to another. We can also find some another stylization for this search phrase, like we can find in these two designs, but I think that you can definitely add a lot of other different elements. You can change the stylization, and it will be a good idea, and I think that you can get good sales in this niche. It is not a high volume search keyword, but very low competitive, so you can build here your basic sales, not a lot of earnings, but stable income, and it is a good possibility for you for sure. So it was 5 design ideas for today. As I said, it is a weekly video, so subscribe to this channel. It is mostly about print-on-demand business, and here I post different videos, not only about design ideas. And for today, I wish you good sales, and see you soon. Bye!